Hi everyone, this is Dina. I was on the lookout for a great smartphone with some amazing specs and I stumbled upon the Redmi 9A Sport in the color black. I've been using it for a few weeks now. Let me tell you more about it. First, let's take a look at its design. The phone has a minimalistic design with a premium plastic build. It has a curved design giving the phone an amazing aesthetic appeal. On the front, it has a 6.53-inch high-definition plus display. It supports 720 by 1600 pixels resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio. This phone runs on a MediaTek Helio G25 Octa-core processor. Additionally, it has 2 GB RAM and a 32 GB ROM. Talking about its camera, the phone boasts a smooth 13 megapixel rear camera with an AI portrait feature. On the front is a 5 megapixel camera for clicking gorgeous selfies. This phone is also equipped with AI Face to Unlock feature. One of the biggest highlights of this splash-proof phone is its amazing 5000 mAh battery, which keeps the phone powered up for long hours of heavy use. The Redmi 9A Sports has got an amazing processor and app for daily use.